Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here to show you my Toyota RAV4 2-litre petrol automatic, 56,000 miles, category M, which I'll show you the reason why in a minute, which you will laugh, and I've got photographs of it, but I'm going to show you around the outside first, then take you in the inside. So it'll have 12 months MOT, it's just been serviced. I think from memory it's got either 12 or 18 services with the car, and I repeat, 12 or 18 services. It's just phenomenal. When people look after cars, they last, and by God, if it's a Toyota, they will do the same thing. Now here I have photographs, and that was cracked, and what we've done is replaced this here. That edge there was cracked, and we replaced it, and as you can see, we're just having the duct tape on it to hold it, and that's all that was wrong with it. It was a plastic fitment, 70 odd pounds, replaced and painted, and it was done. Just go back to it, and as I said, it's this piece here, and that was it. Insurance gone crazy, really has gone crazy. Apologise for the rain if you can see it, but it's starting to really throw it down. But there you have it. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and I'm going to take you inside now. Hi, it's Phil again. So what we're going to do now is going to show you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. Now, as I've said, the car's done 56,000 miles. It's got crazy amount of service history. It's about an inch thick. It's a full file of services with Toyota and everybody. I mean, just amazing. So well cared for, as you can see in the video. Just been serviced. It will be MOT'd as well. We'll take you into the driver's side door card. Now again, it's got the half leather on it on the doors, central locking electric windows, electric door mirrors, solar panel, would you believe, stereo, automatic. It's got the embossed seats on it. Just look at how the seats are. They're beautiful. The original carpet. Look at the foot pedals. Everything is correct in the car. So driver's side rear door card. Again, look at the quality of the carpet. Again, the original Toyota carpets. Again, just look at the leather. I mean, headrests all the way around. Just look at the back of the seats. Just not been used. It really hasn't. Again, you can always tell on these cars if they've been worked hard. Obviously this one hasn't. There's no marks on the rear door card. It's not been used as a van. Then look at the rear door seal. Look at them, no marks on here. The carpet itself, it's super. It's also got the parcel shelf, usually missing by this time. Head restraints, as you can see, are there. Headline is in super condition. Again, no wear marks. Leather is super. It's just absolutely. It's a credit to the previous owner, but it's a credit to Toyota as well. Everything there as it should be, and as I said, it's got at least an inch of service history, sunroof and so on. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please do not hesitate to call me. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up, but more importantly, give us a call. You'll absolutely get a cracker of a car. Thanks.